What's going on, everybody? We are going to look into some XRP today. XRP is moving today. I believe we're up about 3% on the day. Let's check out the daily chart real quick here. XRP up 3.1% today. I'm going to head back to the monthly chart real quick. Here we are looking at the monthly chart. As you can see, this very well established cup with handle here, or this giant cup, depending on how you want to look at it. $1.96 area could be a potential area that the price will blast higher above on the monthly chart. Right now we are in the December candle, the December monthly candle, and we had one hell of a strong wick down to these lower trend lines, which is our 21 and our 50. We also wicked down into this long area of price action here. We believe that XRP is extremely undervalued. We also believe that XRP will make a very strong run up to its upper Fibonacci retracements. Let's jump over to the weekly chart here. And we'll take a zoom out. As we zoom out, the chart even looks a little bit more bullish as we bring in our time frames. Similar, you can see this very long cup into a handle area, starting back at the old high in 2018. It looks like here we're on the Bitstamp chart and a high of $3.31. And then right before the SEC lawsuit, we have a high of $1.96. This is very bullish. All this price consolidation, all this accumulation, we believe is getting ready to be released. And we believe that will be released to the upside. So let's jump into a daily chart of XRP, and I want to show you a couple things here. So here we are zoomed into a daily chart. There's a couple price levels on the chart that you want to keep your eye on. One of them being the 83-cent level, and the other being up here at a $1.13. The 83-cent level, as you can see right here on December 4th, we wicked well below it and closed above it. That was very bullish, and probably the XRP whales running lots of stops, shaking people out as they do. It also wicked down into this area of price accumulation, and it turned that area into support. And you can see all this choppy price action right around this 83-cent level until it looks about December 20th. We finally found some good support and we have moved higher. Today we're battling, and we have been for a couple days now, we've been battling this 200-day moving average right around 94 cents, possibly a little bit less. So if you see right here on December 24th, we had this pretty nasty red candle, a little bit of a Christmas Eve shakeout. I believe we're heading higher from here. And if we can go back on the chart, there's two areas, but we'll start with this area right here. We had a reversal candle on the 26th. Wicked up, closed down. And then the next day was a nasty red candle. What followed that nasty red candle was a nice strong move to the upside. So that's one example. If we move back a little further, we can go to right here, which is September 20th. Very nasty. I'm sure this created lots of fear. Red candle, followed by another red candle, very strong green candle, a little bit of consolidation, move to the upside. And what do we see right here on December 24th after this December 23rd reversal green candle? Very nasty red candle. Crypto Twitter was definitely all over the place on that day, on Christmas Eve. You can go back and look. And I believe what will follow will be a nice breakout above, breaking out past this $1.02 area and moving us up higher. Checking out the charts, $1.13 is another area that you want to keep your eye on, that the price is going to, well, it's either going to blast right past it and then come back and find support, or we're going to work our way up to it, whipsaw around it, and then move higher. But that's definitely going to be a challenge area for XRP, is $1.13. It also correlates with this entire range area here. You can see we whipsawed above, below, and so on before moving back down to this 83-cent level. But that is the next area of overhead resistance for XRP. It's going to be around that $1.13 area. Assuming we don't just blast right through all of that from the get-go, taking out this high here at $1.30, 34, 35-ish, and then this high here at a $1.41. If that does happen, that's going to be extremely bullish, and that puts us right up into this area of a, let's see, what do we have, $1.96 would be this high here. So all these highs here are naturally going to be broken, and the price is going to be attracted to those. And it's only a matter of time until we have a extremely strong breakout to the upside for XRP. Now you could throw some kind of a descending trend line here, and you could add there. That could be an entry point. But as a lot of the XRP holders have been around for years, they have been accumulating before 2018, during 2018 bull run, also well down in these levels. We hit a low of, it looks like we hit a low here of around 11 cents. So they're probably well positioned, but for those who are not well positioned, anything under $1 for XRP is a steal. And that is our opinion and our opinion only, but definitely not financial advice, and always trade and do your own research. But anything under $1 for XRP we think is a great buy. If we came back down to this 83-cent level, that would be a place to add some more XRP. So let's see what happens. But if you're looking for a breakout, you can look at, let's see, what is this, $1.02? Yeah, $1.02 up into here, $1.34, $1.41. If we can see price hold above those levels, that would be very, very bullish for XRP. Perhaps the bottom is in. at least for now, because this candle right here definitely ran some stops. It probably liquidated those leverage traders and definitely created some fear. That was a pretty nasty day. I mean, our range for that, our high was 92 and our low was 65. That is one hell of a range. But all right, let's keep our eyes on XRP. And if you're long from these prices, you are definitely sitting pretty. But keep your eye on 83 cents and $1.13 and watch how the price reacts around those levels. If we get up above $1.13 and hold, this thing's going much higher, well past these couple of highs here. And the upper fib retracements takes us well above the all-time high. Takes us into the $10 plus range, but we have to break above these levels first. Will it happen in one candle, two candles? Anything's possible. It probably won't, but with the consolidation being this many years long, the breakout could be phenomenal and extremely, extremely fast. Markets can only go sideways for so long before they move in a direction, whether that's up or down, depending on the chart. And if you think this one's bullish, then the price is going to be, you're looking for the price to break out higher, not lower. You can look, maybe you can do some kind of a pennant here or something like that. Do some descending trend lines. But taking a step back, maybe moving into the higher time frame, the weekly or the monthly, you could draw yourself a cup with handle here, and you're basically just waiting for this thing to break out higher. If you're using the fibs, then you've obviously seen Bitcoin has made just about a full Fibonacci retracement, and some of these altcoins have not done that yet. XRP being one of them, probably being one of the most undervalued assets right now in the crypto space. So that's just some thoughts. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on XRP. You think it's going higher? You think it's going down? You think it's going to zero? What's your thoughts on the SEC lawsuit? But these are just our thoughts. We've been accumulating XRP way down in these levels. So we believe strongly in Ripple, the company, and then XRP and the technology behind all of it. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share this video with some of your XRP traders. Subscribe to the channel. We're usually talking about the micro futures products. That's what we trade. That's what the Patreon group tracks. But we do have the Bitcoin micro futures for the Patreon trading group. We don't have any other cryptos yet, but we might add them in the future. We might add the Ethereum micro futures products. But right now, we just track the stock market micro futures indices, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the S&P 500, and the micro Bitcoin futures. But hey, if the market's liquid and it trades, we will highly consider it. One of the reasons why we love to trade and hold cryptos is because they trade around the clock, unlike the futures products, which are closed on the weekends. So let me know down in the comments what you think, and let's wait for this rocket ship to take off. The thing is, with some of these extremely long bullish patterns that take years to form, when they start to go, they can break out so fast that you're going to be chasing price, and you might get bad fills depending on if you're going to be using market orders or something like that. So basically, you want to be positioned before these things break out. Now, whether you have protective stops or not, that's obviously up to you. But I mean, this thing could be above $1, above this high here, which is $1.96, in a matter of a bar or two, where right now it's $1 less than that. But that's just our opinion. So we will hopefully see you guys at much, much higher prices in XRP as we see the Bitcoin dominance start to move lower. This should be bullish for XRP and some of the altcoins. And we will catch you all in the next video. All right, guys, take care. Happy trading.